All right, it's March the 2nd, 2023. Today we celebrate 32 years of Marital Blitz. And we decided to go ahead and take a camping trip this year on our 32nd anniversary. And we'll get ready to show you the camper, and then we'll keep you informed throughout our trip. That's the camper right there. That's the rig. That's the setup. Got the 2500 beside it. And we're ready to rock and roll. All right, here we are at the Carolina Pines. Trying to set him up. The first thing we're gonna do is get it on the hook from our vehicle. Now change the loop, letting the landing gear down. Happy for this battery operated landing gear. Can't beat it. Beats cranking. Oh yeah, come on. Even in automatic, we want speed. Man, this park is amazing. Looking at all the fun rides over there for the kids. Let's putt. Look at those very expensive RVs over there. Wow. Looking good. Have to do. When you're camping, you don't just pull up and hop in the camper. It's a lot of work that needs to be done. So the first thing we're gonna do is unhook it from the truck. Kind of windy out here. I don't know whether you really hear us or not, but it's a beautiful day. 77 degrees when we came in. And we're doing this video for the wannabe campers. Some of you want to know how to do it. Our channel is DIY Inspire. We do a whole lot of DIY stuff. All right, next thing we're gonna do, my wife's actually got some of the, you got them all in there, cool. All right, we're gonna actually go around the other side, and what she's doing, she's just putting she's putting the pads down. She's got the wheel chock right here. See the wheel chock? We're gonna put one in. When you're camping, you should put one behind it, and we need another one in front of it there, so it can't roll backwards or forward. We're gonna show you in a minute how to hook up to the power and our water supply, so it's gonna be fun. And so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna let down our stabilizers. The stabilizer coming down. I'm just gonna kind of get it pretty close for right now, just a touch. And we're going to use the tongue to actually level. Just want to get our stabilizers down close enough to let's see. For some reason this stabilizer is not coming down. There we go. So we're extracting this one. Kind of get it close enough so that we can get our landing pads in place. And I got this little secret that I use. I got a little level that we actually bought. I mean, $1, $2. It's got the little bubble in the middle. See the little bubble in the middle? And this is how we kind of secretly level ours. So I'm gonna put it right there. And we probably should move the truck up just a little bit. And so now we're gonna let it down a little bit. All right, down a little bit more. And we'll double check to make sure that my stabilizers are not hitting. Down a little bit more. Okay, that's pretty close to level. Pretty close to level. And see what it says inside this box here. Let it up just a little bit. Please excuse this sand from the beach. Let it up just a little bit. Just showing you this, so there'll be a couple places you can actually level. You level from the tongue. Okay, that's good. So this is our floor. And you can actually, is the door unlocked already? You could actually take it as well, take this level and see if we can let our steps down. Sometimes you take the level and just put it right on your floor in here. All right, good deal, good deal. The next thing we got to do is get our steps adjusted. They are pretty close. But if we had to adjust them, we could extend these bars on each side to get them level and solid. So when you're stepping in, you won't be tilting to one side or the other. All right, and right now, my wife is actually getting ready to set the stabilizers down. The stabilizers actually keep the trailer from rocking backwards and forward. A little bit more. There we go. Rocking backwards and forwards when you're actually in it. Man, this is a cool park here. Wow. Very cool. And she's doing the same thing here. Cool. All right, she said the other one is not under there, so she's gonna let it back up a little bit. So, oh no, okay. All right. All right. Now, if you get the water hose, I'll get the power cord. We're gonna get the power cord. You can actually keep your power cord in your travel trailer. And please excuse all this junk back here, but I take a lot of stuff with me, with us when we go travel. I got a jack just in case we have a flat tire. I got some straps in case we have to pull or tie something down. So please excuse all of that stuff. It's just little stuff that we take along with us. All right, now what we're gonna do. All right. So this is our power cord, and our unit is set up for 30 or 50 amp services, and I'm always happy to see the 50 amp service. This cord got a certain way it goes in there. There we are. Just kind of tighten this ring up a little bit. Yep, so we're gonna see what we got here. All right, so we got a 50 amp panel and we got a 30 amp panel. That's the 50, that's the 30. We got a cord that actually can accommodate both of them. This particular plug here can actually be used as a 30 amp right there, but we want the full power, so I'm gonna disconnect all my little gadgets and stick the 50 amp in right there. And the breaker is off currently. We like it like that. We'll turn the breaker on as soon as we get everything powered up. Actually, I probably should get our meter and put on it. And what she's doing, she's getting ready to hook up the water supply. And the water supply will be hooked on the other side. All right. Let me see if I can look in this side box and find our circuit tester. I hope I brought it with us. I did. This is a very, well, it's an expensive gadget, but it is a very inexpensive gadget actually when you're trying to hook up to power you're not used to. We don't want no power surge or anything, or burn something up on the inside of the camper. So 50 amp service. I'm going to unplug this, and I'm going to actually plug this in right here, and I'm going to turn our power on, and we're going to check to make sure that everything is okay. So we got all green lights. That means we got good power. We don't have any yellow or red, anything to caution us. So all of our LED lights here look pretty good. So I'm going to cut the breaker back off. And what I like to do now is just plug this back in, knowing that the power is great. I don't like leaving this little gadget out because it could walk. It has legs. You know, thing is right at $200. It does serve as a surge protector. There's nothing wrong with leaving it plugged in. Every camper have their choice, but I always use it to check, and if the power is okay, then I actually put it back in. I know some of you campers will probably disagree with me on this, but everybody's different. All right, so what we're gonna do now, she's getting ready to hook up the we got what we call the city water connection. What the city water connection does is gives us fresh water on the inside of the camper. And we'll actually go ahead and shut some of these compartments down and make sure it's good and tight there. All right, we'll wait before we turn the water on. One of us needs to go in the camper. And actually, if you go ahead on in the camper, I'll turn the water on and the power on and make sure we're good to go. So camping is not a complicated process, and once you get used to hooking up, it definitely becomes a routine that is not intimidating. All right, so we're ready to turn the water on now. All right, and we're gonna kick on our power. I'll let that back down, and we'll come back later and get some of this a little bit more organized. The more we, you know, the longer we stay here. Check out the picnic table. I hope we brought our grill. Man, a cool fire pit. The next time we come to Carolina Pines, we're gonna bring us some wood. And of course, you can buy wood from up front, but I just want to show you how cool this place is. Conway, South Carolina, Carolina Pines. Is everything good in there? Water is on. We got power. So we don't. Okay, we got power. All right, well, we ready to slide the unit out. She's gonna do the slide out, and I'm gonna go, as she's doing the slide out, I'm gonna go around and check. You know, what's so cool about the slide outs, they'll come in while you're traveling, and then when you get to where you're going, you can slide it out, and gives you more space. Let me go check to make sure we're not bumping anything as she is sliding it out. I think she's got it slid out. So you see how the slide out work? Yep, it comes out, gives you more space on the inside. And honestly, we're pretty close to being set up. We're not going to set up our sewer right now, but we do have the sewer taps here, you know, where you can actually hook your line up for your sewer. Of course, I recommend you wear gloves when you're handling that stuff. And we would hook our sewer right here, and that should be closed. We can hook our sewer line right here and go right over to our sewer tap right here and dump all of the, you know, excess sewer and stuff that you have on board. And we always like to dump when we get here. We got a place at home that we actually dump in our own sewer, so we were actually in good shape when we got here. So look, y'all, hey man, we getting ready to have some fun. It's our 32nd wedding anniversary, and so we just decided this year, March the 2nd, 2023, come out to Carolina Pines and just relax a few days. The weather is beautiful, and we know we're coming back because we see all these water slides and things for kids, and we haven't explored this park yet, but we're going to take time to explore it over the next couple of days. The ones that have been here have actually told me that once you get in here, you don't have to go out for anything. So we're going to see how it all works and how it all actually play out and how it all actually pan out. Okay, be cool.